Hello there, this is Geet and welcome to my series of C programming tutorials. And today we are going to learn how to print anything using a printf statement. So in the previous videos we have seen that we can print a string which was in double inverted commas, so we can print it directly. Let me make a new file, save it and call it printf function.c, and I'm going to save it in the C programs, that is the folder I recently made. And this is our code printf. Now the first thing we have learned was this. Now this thing is called a string. You can see it is highlighted in the orange color. So printf doesn't only allow to just print this strings, it allows us to print almost any data type. So let us see how to do that. Now, how to print an integer? So int a is equal to 25, and if I want to print this, then I have to write the statement like this: printf, then the value of a is. Now I cannot write a. This will print a instead of the value of a. So what can we do is, as it is an integer, it is denoted by %d. You have to remember this. It is denoted by %d if it is an integer. Then after you finish the string, write the name of the variable. That's it. So this is everything you have to do if you want to print the value of an integer. Now let us build this program. Compilation finished successfully, and if we run that, you can see the value of a is 25. As you can see, the %d is replaced by the value of a. Now what if you want to print out the value of a floating point number? Printing a float. Float f is equal to 12.43. Printf, the value of f is %f. In this way, you can print a floating point number. So %f specifies that the thing that is going to be printed over here in place of this is a floating point number. So let me put the new line /n, comma, f, and that's it. Now let us build the code. So the compilation is finished successfully, and then run the program. So you can see that the value of f is 12.43. And you may have a question that from where these zeros came. Now a floating point number gives you an accuracy up to 6 decimal point. So even if you are writing a floating point number up to 2 or 3 decimal point, it will pad that value with zeros. It will pad the remaining numbers with zeros. So in this way we can print a floating point number, then a character. Char C is equal to A. Printf, the value of C is %C. Now let's just build the code. Okay, there is some problem in the program and we haven't just put this double inverted commas, so that is why the problem was raised. Again, build the code. The compilation finished successfully, and then if you run this, you can see the value of C is equal to A. So this %C is replaced by the value of C, that is A. So in this way you can print various data types using the printf function. So this was pretty much about this video. This is Geet and thank you for watching my video.